A 146,000-year-old skull discovered near Harbin, China, is rewriting the narrative of human evolution. Scientists have finally connected a face to the enigmatic Denisovans, an extinct branch of the human family tree that once roamed Siberia and East Asia. This groundbreaking discovery not only sheds light on the physical appearance of Denisovans, but also challenges our understanding of human ancestry. But here's where it gets controversial. In 2010, Denisovans were first identified as a distinct human relative through genetic analysis of a finger bone and a few teeth found in Denisova Cave, Siberia. However, these fragments provided little insight into what these ancient humans actually looked like. Fast forward to June of this year, and the ancient skull from Harbin has been confirmed to contain Denisovan DNA, marking a significant leap in our knowledge. Until now, we knew more about the Denisovan genome than we did about actual Denisovans, explained Bernard Wood, a professor of human origins at George Washington University, who was not involved in the study. Now, we can examine other skulls that don't clearly fit into the modern human or Neanderthal categories, and see if they match the Harbin cranium. Why it matters. The implications of this discovery are profound. Some experts suggest that the findings might necessitate a revision of our ancestral family tree. Previously, Neanderthals were considered our closest extinct relatives. However, the Harbin skull reveals that Denisovans may be even more closely related to modern humans than previously thought. This could mean that Neanderthals, who inhabited Europe and Western Asia, are no longer our nearest ancient cousins. Key details. The skull, which includes a single tooth, contains Denisovan mitochondrial DNA and proteins, according to New Scientist. Prior to this, Denisovans were primarily known from DNA extracted from a few small fossils, such as a finger bone and a tooth, dated between 51,000 and 84,000 years old. These earlier finds provided limited physical characteristics, making the Harbin skull a crucial piece of the puzzle. Bence Viola, a professor of anthropology at the University of Toronto, who studied the initial Denisovan samples, expressed his excitement. Since 2010, our biggest question was what these people looked like. Now, we can compare other fossils to the Harbin cranium and better understand this population. The Harbin skull features a relatively modern-looking face with prominent brow ridges and a long, low brain case. This description aligns with earlier assumptions based on the larger size of Denisovan teeth, indicating that they were robust individuals. Harbin is one of the largest human skulls ever found in the fossil record, Viola noted. Susan C. Anton, a professor of anthropology at New York University who was not part of the study, added, "This skull gives a face to a lineage previously known only from DNA. Now, we can reassess other fossils in the region with this new information." Revisiting our family tree. Researchers now believe that Denisovans share a common ancestor with modern humans from about 1.32 million years ago, while Neanderthals diverged from our lineage around 1.38 million years ago. However, this is a topic of ongoing debate among experts. Some scientists argue that Neanderthals and Denisovans are equally related to living humans, adding a layer of complexity to the discussion. The discovery also contributes to the search for Ancestor X, an unknown ancient human population that predates the split between modern humans, Neanderthals, and Denisovans. This mystery ancestor remains a hot topic in paleoanthropology, and the Harbin skull could provide valuable clues. Expert opinions. Viola emphasized that the findings do not contradict existing theories, but offer valuable confirmation. Many of us, including myself, suspected the Harbin cranium belonged to the same population as the Denisova material. Independent verification is always beneficial. However, he acknowledged the limitations. One challenge with the Harbin cranium is the lack of contextual information. It was found during bridge construction in the 1930s-40s, so we don't know its exact age or origin. Additional research at the site and nearby areas could yield more insights. Bernard Wood added, "This discovery confirms that around 150,000 years ago, there were diverse human ancestors in different parts of the world. Modern human ancestors in Africa, Neanderthals, Homo heidelbergensis, and Denisovans in Eurasia." Susan C. Anton echoed this sentiment. While this doesn't fundamentally alter our understanding of human evolution, it provides a clearer picture of the Denisovan lineage. We can now better understand the diversity of human fossils in China and elsewhere. Daniel Lieberman, a professor of biological sciences at Harvard University, offered a balanced view. Genetic data has long suggested that Denisovans were a distinct archaic Homo species. The Harbin skull, with its large face, prominent brow ridges, and elongated skull, fits our expectations. While it's a significant discovery, it doesn't 颠覆我们对人类进化的现有理论. What's next? The scientific community continues to explore the implications of this discovery for our understanding of human evolution. Further research, we focus on how this new information fits into the broader narrative of our ancient past. And this is the part most people miss. Every new discovery opens up more questions than it answers, keeping the field of paleoanthropology vibrant and dynamic. So, what do you think? Does this discovery change your perspective on human evolution? Share your thoughts in the comments below.